guys, it's Jenna. I'm going to teach you how to make cake pops today.
Okay, here we go. We are starting with a 9-inch round chocolate cake layer. We are going to break that up really fine into a sand-like consistency. Work it between your hands, get those clumps broken up really good. Then we added a second layer and we are just going to crumble that one up as well. Here we are adding a full container of creamy chocolate icing. You want to give that guy a good mix, get it all incorporated into a dough-like consistency. Here I am just rough forming the balls. You don't have to be perfect. They don't have to be perfectly smooth on this step because you are going to refine them later on. Here I am just making a couple extra ones, showing you that you can really do any shape that you can think of. I did a lollipop kind of shape and then a little pyramid. Here we just have a quick time lapse getting all of those balls formed. You want to do about an inch round size ball. If not, they can be a bit top heavy. You will see at the end mine were a little bit on the large side and I couldn't stand them up. I had to place them down on the tray. Thirty minutes in the freezer, and then we take them out, and this is where you're going to refine your shape and smooth those edges. They're a little bit more firm after chilling, so it's easier to do. Once you have your ball all refined and smooth, you're going to take a candy stick and dip it in the chocolate. I just have some chocolate melted in the crock pot set on keep warm. And then you dip it in and you stick your stick, and I've just got a time lapse of sticking all the sticks in. Once you are completed sticking all of the sticks in your cake balls, you're going to stick these guys back in the freezer for another 30 minutes to allow that chocolate to set. What that chocolate is doing is acting as the glue for the stick. If you don't use chocolate to hold the ball to the stick, a lot of times they will just fall right off. Now it is time to decorate. So here I am taking a cake pop and you're just going to dip it in the melted chocolate and give it a twirl. You want to give it a good couple taps, not too hard because it will fall off the stick, just to get that excess chocolate off. Then you're going to take your cake pop and dip it in your sprinkles, and really you can do any kind of sprinkle, any decoration, it doesn't matter. Then you just set her down on the tray. Just another little time lapse of dipping all of the cake pops so that you can see that being done. And then here you have the final product. Try this at home. Let me know how it goes. What's your favorite flavor of cake? Comment down below and you'll be entered to receive one of our weekly kits.
Oh yeah.